Breathing is something we often take for granted until it becomes difficult, whether you suffer from congestion, the after effects of smoking, or allergies. Breathing problems can have a serious impact on your quality of life. Imagine a solution that not only alleviates these symptoms, but also cleanses your lungs naturally, giving you deep, refreshing breaths. Again, that's exactly what OmniBreathe promises to do. OmniBreathe is an all-natural supplement designed to cleanse and detoxify your lungs, remove mucus buildup, and restore respiratory health. In just 3 days, you could be breathing easier with fewer obstacles in your way. Let's explore how this powerful product can transform your lung health and make each breath feel more effortless. What is OmniBreathe? OmniBreathe is an innovative lung health supplement formulated with a blend of vitamins, minerals, and natural extracts designed to detoxify your lungs. It works by loosening and flushing out harmful toxins, tar, and mucus buildup that can clog your airways. Whether you're dealing with the long-term effects of smoking or the occasional seasonal allergies, OmniBreathe helps clear congestion and promotes easier breathing. What sets OmniBreathe apart is its fast-acting and natural approach. Unlike over-the-counter medications or prescriptions that may rely on chemicals, OmniBreathe uses plant-based ingredients like N-ACETYL-L-CYSTEINE, quercetin, and bromelain to support your lungs and respiratory system. With consistent use, this supplement helps cleanse and revitalize your lungs, making it easier to take deep breaths once again. How does OmniBreathe work? OmniBreathe operates using a unique combination of powerful ingredients that work in harmony to cleanse, repair, and protect your lungs. Vitamins A, D, and C. These essential vitamins play a key role in maintaining respiratory health by supporting immune function, reducing inflammation, and protecting against harmful toxins. The N-ACETYL-L-CYSTEINE, NACE. This antioxidant-rich ingredient has been shown to help break down mucus and clear mucus buildup from the lungs. NACE also plays an important role in detoxifying the body, flushing out pollutants, and restoring optimal lung function. Quercetin, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, quercetin helps to reduce swelling in the airways, providing relief for anyone struggling with congestion, asthma, or even seasonal allergies. Bromelain, extracted from pineapples. This enzyme is not only an anti-inflammatory, but also helps improve overall lung function by supporting tissue repair and reducing irritation in the respiratory system. Cordyceps extract, a natural remedy used in traditional medicine. Cordyceps helps to increase oxygen intake and improve endurance, allowing your lungs to perform better and recover faster. These ingredients come together to deliver a natural and highly effective formula that works to clear the lungs of harmful substances, reduce inflammation, and promote overall lung health. When you start taking OmniBreathe, the ingredients begin working within the first 72 hours to help you breathe easier and experience noticeable relief from congestion and mucus buildup. The more consistently you take it, the better the results as it continues to cleanse and nourish your lungs. Features and benefits of OmniBreathe. Let's dive deeper into the specific benefits of using OmniBreathe. Fast-acting relief. Many users report feeling improvements within just a few days of starting OmniBreathe. It works quickly to alleviate congestion, making it easier to breathe deeply and feel more comfortable. Natural ingredients. Unlike many medications, OmniBreathe uses 100% natural ingredients. This means no harmful chemicals, no side effects, and no addiction. Just clean, effective lung support. Clears mucus and toxins. One of the key benefits of OmniBreathe is its ability to break down and remove mucus and toxic substances from the lungs. This is especially helpful for smokers or anyone exposed to harmful pollutants over time. Promotes long-term lung health. While you'll feel immediate relief, OmniBreathe works over time to support your long-term lung health, helping to rebuild your respiratory system and prevent future damage. Supports respiratory function. The powerful blend of ingredients in OmniBreathe helps to strengthen your lungs, reduce inflammation, and improve overall respiratory function. This means better oxygen flow, less coughing, and easier breathing. Boosts immunity with added vitamins and antioxidants. OmniBreathe supports a healthy immune system, helping your body ward off respiratory infections and diseases. Supports asthma and COPD relief. If you suffer from asthma or COPD, OmniBreathe can provide relief from symptoms like wheezing, shortness of breath, and coughing. The combination of anti-inflammatory ingredients helps reduce airway inflammation. How to use OmniBreathe. Using OmniBreathe is easy. Just follow these simple steps to start your journey towards cleaner, healthier lungs. Take 2 capsules daily. Simply take 2 OmniBreathe capsules a day with water, preferably after a meal for better absorption. Continue regular use. For the best results, it's important to use OmniBreathe consistently. Most users begin noticing improvements within the first 3 days, but continued use for several weeks will give you the best long-term benefits. Feel the difference. With regular use, you'll feel clearer, healthier lungs and enjoy deeper, more comfortable breaths. Your congestion will reduce and your overall lung health will improve. OmniBreathe is suitable for adults of all ages and can be used by anyone looking to improve their lung health. It's particularly beneficial for smokers, people with asthma, or those living in areas with poor air quality. OmniBreathe pros and cons. Pros. Natural ingredients, no harmful chemicals or additives. Fast acting, relief in just 24-72 hours. Long-term benefits help support overall lung health and immune function. Clears mucus and toxins, breaks down mucus buildup, and flushes out harmful substances. Supports asthma and COPD relief, eases breathing difficulties for people with respiratory conditions. Easy to use, just 2 capsules a day for lasting relief. Corn sense, not a quick fix. While you'll see improvements quickly, full benefits may take several weeks of consistent use. Not suitable for children, OmniBreathe is formulated for adult use only. Price and where to buy OmniBreathe. OmniBreathe is available for purchase directly through the official website. Here are the available deals. In 1 bottle, 15-day supply. Buy 1, get 1 50% off. 30-day supply, $59.93. Best value, buy 2, get 1 free 45-day supply, $79.90. Each order comes with free shipping and a 90-day money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, you can return the product for a full refund within 90 days. Conclusion. OmniBreathe isn't just another lung health supplement. It's a fast-acting, natural solution that cleanses your lungs, reduces congestion, and helps you breathe easier. Whether you're a smoker, suffer from allergies, or live in a polluted environment, OmniBreathe provides the nutrients your lungs need to stay healthy. With consistent use, you can expect better lung function, clearer breathing, and improved overall respiratory health. Don't wait for the damage to get worse. Start using OmniBreathe today and take control of your lung health, naturally and effectively.